Hey everybody, Jim King with King Piers back out here in one of my favorite towns to work in, and that's Lawrence, Kansas. We've done many projects out here for Hutton Farms and many residential homeowners. People out here are really nice people. What we have here is this is a slab on grade with a frost footing, no basement, and the house is very uneven on the inside. The frost footing is sunk in many places, so we're going to come in with 24 King Pier IIs all the way around this home, and then we'll have several King Pier IIs on the inside. We'll go underneath the floor in strategic areas to make that floor level in case when we raise the frost footing the floors don't come back as perfect. We'll come inside and make them perfect with a couple of King Piers placed in strategic areas. So here you have it, folks. King Piers, another project, Lawrence, Kansas. For all your foundation repair needs, call me 816-521-8915. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com.